Imagine staying awake for one full night without sleeping. At first, missing sleep may not seem very dangerous, but your body starts reacting much sooner than expected. Your brain keeps working when it should be resting. Soon you begin feeling tired and low on energy. Morning arrives, but your body never fully recovered. You may depend on caffeine just to stay awake, but what happens after staying awake for 48 hours? After 24 hours awake, your body feels noticeably different. Your brain activity slows, making thinking more difficult. Simple tasks suddenly require much more effort than usual. Your reaction time becomes slower and less reliable. You may feel more emotional, stressed, or easily annoyed. Your eyes become dry, red, and uncomfortable. Your body feels heavier and more tired than normal, and the effects become stronger as time continues. You may start forgetting simple things more often. Everyday tasks suddenly become harder to complete. Your brain struggles to store new information properly. Concentration becomes weaker as your brain gets exhausted. You are more likely to make small mistakes. Your thinking speed becomes noticeably slower than usual. Mental fatigue builds up quickly without enough sleep. Next, your body's hormones begin to change. Your body releases more stress hormones without proper sleep. Cortisol levels rise, making your body feel constantly stressed. Your heart rate increases as stress hormones build up. Sleep loss increases hunger hormones inside your body. You may crave sugary or unhealthy foods more often. Blood sugar becomes unstable when sleep deprivation continues. You may feel nervous, restless, or emotionally overwhelmed. Soon, your physical strength begins to drop significantly. Without sleep, your body starts losing physical strength. Your movements become slower and less coordinated. Your muscles feel tired even after simple activities. Your grip becomes weaker and less reliable. Extreme tiredness makes daily tasks much harder. Your body struggles to regulate its temperature properly. You may notice shaking or trembling in your body. If sleep deprivation continues, symptoms become much more serious. After long hours awake, exhaustion becomes overwhelming. Your brain may shut down for brief moments. These short sleep episodes can happen unexpectedly. Your vision may become blurry and difficult to control. Your reaction speed becomes dangerously slow. You may feel confused or mentally disoriented. Your balance and coordination become unstable. Without sleep, your body enters a dangerous stage. After 48 hours awake, your body becomes severely stressed. Your brain may create false images or sounds. Your immune system becomes weaker without enough sleep. Your heart works harder to keep you functioning. Your emotions may become unstable and unpredictable. Your body struggles to maintain basic functions. At this point, your body urgently needs sleep. Sleep becomes the only way to recover safely. Once you sleep, your body begins repairing itself. Deep sleep allows your brain to rest properly. Your brain starts restoring lost energy quickly. Hormone levels slowly return to healthy balance. Your heart rate returns to a safer level. You wake up feeling stronger and more alert. A good night's sleep improves your overall health. Healthy sleep keeps your body working at its best. Your body needs sleep every single day to function. Sleep keeps your brain sharp and fully active. A well-rested body performs better in daily life. Regular sleep helps maintain a healthy routine. Healthy sleep supports both body and mind. Never underestimate the power of good sleep. Subscribe now for more simple health explanations. Your health depends on the habits you choose.